In this guide, I'll show you how to watch free movies and TV on your PS5. So the first thing you want to do is select the media icon in the top left corner. Then we're going to scroll over to all apps and scroll down, and then scroll up to select the search icon in the top right corner. Now once you're here, in the search bar, we're going to be typing in Tubi. Now this is a free platform for streaming movies as well as TV. It's one of the most popular, with the only caveat being that you'll have to watch ads. So select it now from apps, and we're going to go to download, and then it'll automatically begin downloading and installing on your PS5. So at this point, we're going to go back by pressing the circle button, and now under media, you should be able to see the Tubi app. So you can run it right now from here, or you can scroll down and select start. And if you scroll down further, you can see featured movies as well as TV. So you can have a look through here, or you can go to the app to get a greater view of the library. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.